Well, good morning, YouTube. Ignore this glorious hair of mine. I literally just woke up. But this video here is one of my old ones that it wasn't anything like super special, but it was fun how it was done. High noon. Actually, it's closer to about 3 o'clock, so I don't have a whole heck of a lot of time. 2, maybe 3 hours, 2.5, maybe 3 hours. But I'm up here on the river, and the water's up a little bit, and the water's definitely warmed up, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna get down here and catch some bait real quick and get some lines out and see if we can catch something that's got whiskers on it. All right, finally rigged up, and it took way too long to do all that stuff, which I could have just left all my gear rigged up from the last time, but I like having fresh leaders and all that whenever I go out for cats. Anyway, I'm gonna try to catch some bait and get to the business portion of this. And there's one. Now do I want to put you on live, or do I want to cut you up? Questions that need to be answered. Told you. Not a real big crappie. Chill. Chill. Alright, one of you three needs to go make zing zing. Alright, that's the music that I want to hear. Another crappie. And this one has a visitor. Chill. This one has a lamprey on it. Ah, there you are. There you are. There must be a school of them slabbies. They're starting to get a little bit darker, which is just about that time for the crappie to start spawning around here. So that could be why the crappie that I've been catching here lately have been getting a little bit darker. That one just T-boned it. And that one's got a lamprey on it. How lampreys suck. Well, that one did you a favor and came off. I'll just keep you in my back pocket. Oh, I'm sorry. That wasn't cool. That's a little bit nicer. Still not a keeper size, but it's another crappie slabicus. I use my pants leg to make my hand more sanitary. You know, if I don't catch any cats today, I'll be fine with getting my numbers up for the year, because February's been kind of slow in comparison to the numbers I was getting in January. Another one. Crappicus slabicus. Kind of surprised I hadn't got into some green sunfish yet, because I know they hang around this little culvert. Small belly flop. Not cool. Another one. At this point, I really don't care if I catch a catfish in this trip. It'd just be a bonus, because I already have an idea for this video. Oh, snap. Shh. They ain't real big, but it doesn't matter. There's numbers of them in a stupidly small spot. Like this little corner of this pocket that I'm catching these fish in, well, not even that there. Not even on the other side of that vine. This little pocket is maybe 8 feet wide and 20 feet long. And it's also about 5 to 6 foot deep right there too. Another one. This dude right here, his street name is Crappalicious. This little pocket is just stacked with crappie. I did touch that one, so that one counts. When he flopped around and got off the hook, he came in contact with my finger. So that one does count. Dang, you were a little bit down deeper. Or should I say, you are down a little deeper. Crappie, you want to tell me what kind of rifle that dude's shooting? And how many rounds was in that mag? Chill. Crappicus slabicus. That's a spell that they could make in Harry Potter, but the redneck version where all they're doing is fishing instead of casting spells, it's a Crappicus slabicus. And there's a stringer of slabs apparates out of nowhere. Ooh, that one had some attitude to it, and yes, it's another Crappicus slabicus or whatever I was calling them, or Crappylicious slab donkicus. Crappylicious slab donkicus. Alright, while I'm thinking about it, if you like the video, do all the stuff that's popping up on the screen here for me. That definitely helps the channel. And if you got any other content creators that you enjoy watching, do the same thing for them, because it helps them and it helps you in return. Anyway, I'm going to call it quits here in just a little bit. I'm going to give it about another 10-20 minutes and see how many more crappie we can drag out of this tiny little spot. Like, I'm not lying. You could probably park maybe 2 cars in this one tiny little spot these crappie are in. Anyway, let's get back to fishing. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. This water is a little bit, I mean, it's clear. It's clear for sure, but it is a little bit dingy. But I figured, you know, I've been casting over there right at the base of that tree and bringing it straight forward. But I figured right here underneath these vines would be a possibility. And sure enough, they was. It doesn't bite except for that one, which is not a bluegill. It's a... That is a Crappius slabicus. Alright, phone. Yeah, that is a fine specimen of a Crappius slabicus. Another one! You got to be kidding me. This is just dumb. This is just dumb, but in a good way. I don't even know how many I've caught. We'll look at that. 16 crappie so far. Ow! Ow! Your fin decided to penetrate my finger. It hurt. One more. I think they're starting to get a little suspicious, seeing all their buddies. Ow, 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 ow. Stop. All of your bottom fins were rearranging the skin on my fingers. But I think they're getting kind of smart to all their buddies getting drug out of here. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, because I certainly had fun making it. It's rare that I get into a mess of crappie like that. I mean, I've caught a bunch in my videos and individual videos, but not like that, and not in a spot that small. That was just dumb, but in a good way. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video.